Hey guys, so sorry, in the middle of number 5. So again, a bucket is leaking after 3 hours. The bucket has leaked 3/4 of an ounce. How many ounces per hour is the bucket leaking? So again, here was our ratio form set up, 3/4 ounces per 3 hours. We want to get to 1, so we divided each by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is our 1 hour. If we divide this side by 3, we have to divide the numerator by 3. Which is what we're doing here. We're showing our work for the numerator. So we have 3/4 divided by 3/1. Well, because we're dividing fractions, we're going to do our keep, change, flip, or multiply by the reciprocal. So again, here's my work. We have 3/4 times 1/3, because 1/3 is reciprocal of 3/1. So when we do that, we get 3/12. So because I just multiply straight across, we can get 3/12. Or if you want to cross cancel, you can do that too. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then multiply across, and you'll see that we get 1/4. 3/12 is simply reduced to 1/4. All you're doing is just reducing it by dividing it by 3 to both sides, and we get 1/4. So if we go back over here, we're going to have 1/4 ounce for just 1 hour. Okay, so again, sorry to cut off last video for number 5 in the mix of it. Number 6, after 15 minutes, a train has moved 9/2 miles toward its destination. How many miles per minute is the train moving? So again, you need to write in ratio form first. Your key words is how many miles per minute. So here it is. Miles per minute. How are you going to write that in ratio form? Okay, think about it. It says a snack at the Reginald just bought 150 calories and 3/4 of a serving. How many calories per serving is this? So again, calories per serving. So they have calories per serving. How many calories? 150. How many servings? 3/4. So you guys are just going to fill in the blank, and then you're going to solve calories per serving. Okay. Do not get confused by the steps. It's the same thing here. So we divided, if we go back to number 5, all we did here was take 3 hours and we divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. The denominator is done. All of this work is for the numerator. 3/4 divided by 3. Here we have 3/4 divided by 3/1. Same thing as just 3. We're showing our work continually. 3/4 times the reciprocal of 3/1, which is 1/3. When we do this, we get 3/12, or we can cross cancel. We know 3 goes into 3 one time, and then multiply across, and we get 1/4 ounce per 1 hour. So our answer, forgot to rewrite it, we get 1/4 ounce per 1 hour. Okay, so it's the same thing down here. Do not get confused. It says 150 calories per 3/4 servings. We want to know how many for just one serving. So how do we get from 3/4 to just 1? Okay, you're going to take your 3/4. You want to get to 1. How do we get that? Well, how do we get it up here? Okay, we always want to multiply by the reciprocal. This is how we get 1, because 3's cancel out, they become 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1. What about here? 4's cancel out. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 4 divided by 4 is 1. If we multiply across, guess what? We get 1, so we have our 1 serving. Okay, so then you're just going to show your work. If we multiply the denominator by 4/3, well, guess what? Now you have to multiply the numerator by 4/3. So 150 over 1 divided by 4/3. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here. If you guys have questions, please feel free to reach out, email me or any of your other teachers. All right, have a great day.